Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate and I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a text from video in CapCut. And if you're wondering how, make sure to stick till the end and do not skip. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open CapCut on your desktop, and now say I have this video right here where you will be able to see some kind of text at this video. And how we can remove the text? Well, there are a few tricks to that. First of all, you can try to trim the video. Say I have text till this frame. If I split it up right here, this part of the video will get trimmed along with the text. For that, if your vertical line is here and if you click on this split button right here, it will get split into two parts, and then you can simply click on this first segment and then just click on this delete option and delete the text. This was the first way. Now the second way you can try is to add an overlay to that text. Say you don't want to lose this part right here, but along with that you don't want this text as well. For that, you can add some kind of sticker to this text to hide the text. For that, at the left side of your screen you will see sticker option, so click on there, and in here download the sticker that you want to add, and then drop that sticker to your timeline, and then you will be able to add an overlay to your text. And then the third one will be you can also overwrite the text right here by tapping on this text icon at the top left side of your screen, and then you can add text. So these were the few tricks that you want to try to hide text on your video on CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.